Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new here, please make sure to subscribe. It helps the channel out, helps us reach more people. Today we are doing the last day of the Marsh Zone here in Ohio. And the last day of the Marsh Zone means the last day of Middle Harbor for at least ducks. We can still hunt it for late season geese, but for ducks this is going to be the last day we can hunt it. It's pretty sad. It's been really nice to have. I'm definitely going to miss it next year. But we're going to go out there. We've already got some lines set up that we just left out from yesterday. And we're going to throw a few more lines out and see if we can't make our spread a little bit more intriguing to the thousands of divers that are in Middle Harbor right now. So we're going to get out there, set up, hope for the best. The conditions today are way different than yesterday. Yesterday it was rainy and windy. Today it's a little calmer and it's really cold. So it's going to be a little bit more enjoyable for us, but we're also going to be hopefully seeing some birds push out of the marsh. There should be a little bit of skim ice on the water in the marshes right now. So hopefully that helps us early in the morning. It's supposed to stay cold till about noon. So we'll see what happens. We're going to get everything packed up and then we'll ship out. So we'll catch you guys at the blind.
It's coming in. Oh, he likes it.
Where?
Right there.
Shoot that.
Come up. Come up. Come up.
There it is. Got him. Well.
Oh, the gut buster hit back. Oh!
She tried to dive. I said, not today.
Not this time.
That's a big game plan.
You all stacked up with extra shells? I got 6. All right.
6 should do.
If I shoot one, I think I might hit 20. So.
That's cool. We all allowed to limit out then. Come.
Shoot him. Oh God. Look at this.
Oh, he did it. Come on, man. I'll stay right there. I mean, for real. Oh! I gotta hope so. You just shoot and that shit's rolling. They're still coming out.
Oh my God.
What? Look, he's got to be shooting.
Just
again.
a.
There it goes. Mom. I think it.
Yeah, they're everywhere. I guess that's what happens when you kick up an entire raft that's been here for weeks.
There it goes. I think I can see he has one down.
He has one?
In front of him. Oh, here we go.
Yeah, he's going to get it. Well, if he just sits there, they might just come right in on him. Oh my God.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, he's going to get it. They literally kicked up and then they're going to go right back. I'm not gonna lie, if this works, I'm gonna be pretty upset we didn't do it yesterday.
One or two.
Did you get any?
Yeah, I shot 2 of those.
Oh, you limited out. Good for you.
Oh,
Hey.
gonna be on a video.
That was insane.
They were all over top of me.
No shit.
I had to pick one out. I'm like, that one.
Nice. Oh, wow. Okay.
Oh, got it somehow.
82.
2 drakes?
One Drake, one head.
One drake, one head.
That's not a bad Drake either.
Good looking drake. Oh, shit.
Wow. Good for you. Way to go. Those were mostly Drakes.
Yep. There's a third. Yep, there it is. 4. 4 of them are down. Shoot. Shoot them.
Got him! Let's go.
Fuck shoot. Rock them. There's 5. There's 5, guys. Hit that. 5 down. Hit that. What are you doing?
Yeah, that'll do. I'm okay with that. What do you think, dude? Alright guys, well we made it back to the house. What an incredible hunt that we were able to finish out our Middle Harbor duck season on. You guys saw all of those ducks that were flying out there. That raft sat out there for weeks and we just could not do anything with it. There was probably 20,000 birds there, if not more. And there was even people from East Harbor that were messaging me telling me how big that group was that we kicked up. So it was just cool to be able to kick them up and actually get some to work in after that. Like I said in the video, I was pretty mad that we waited that long to try it, but it was a pretty far paddle out there to get them kicked up and working around. And they ended up just going right back to the same spot anyway. But 10 birds out there. We're really excited to be able to finish out the season in there with some good divers. We threw out like 14 or 15 dozen diver decoys. And we don't know if it helped or if it was us kicking up all those birds, but it was really cool. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. We still got a little bit of late season left. Not sure if we're going to be filming a bunch of that or not, and then we're going to go straight into goose season. So if you guys liked the video, please make sure to like it, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.